Welcome to the lecture series on fundamentals of statistics. In this series, we aim to understand the basics of statistics and study various distributions and their applications in real world. In this video, we are going to understand the concept of averages. Averages give the measures of central tendency of the data. They give idea about the concentration of the values in central part of the distribution. Average of a variable is the value of variable which is representative of the entire distribution. We can study the central tendency of data using five different types of averages depending on the nature of data and area of study. These five types are arithmetic mean or simple mean, median, mode, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. We will study them one by one. For arithmetic mean, consider n observations of variable x given as x1, x2 and so on till xn. Then the arithmetic mean is given by the sum of n observations divided by the total number of observations. The arithmetic mean is calculated for given example. There are 6 observations for a variable and the mean computed by the formula comes out to be 5.5. Next comes the median. Median is that value of the variable that exceeds and is exceeded by the same number of observations. That means the number of observations before that value and the number of observations after that value is going to be equal. Thus, we can say that median is the positional average, and median is the only average that is used for qualitative data. Now, let's consider the two cases, one with odd number of observations and the other with even number of observations. If the number of observations is odd, then the median is the middle term after values are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude. In the given example, after arranging the data in ascending order, the median comes out to be 5. In the other case, if the number of observations are even, then there are two middle terms, and the median is simply the arithmetic mean of the two middle terms after the all of the values are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude. The data used in this example is same as that used for calculating arithmetic mean, and the median of the data is coincidentally same as the arithmetic mean, that is 5.5. Mode is the type of average which like it is the value which is most frequently occurred in a set of observations. So it has the highest frequency in the frequency distribution table, and around mode all the other values of the variable clusters densely. That is, it is the value of the variable that is predominant in the given data set. Thus, in discrete frequency distribution, mode is the value of x corresponding to maximum frequency. Now consider the given example. The frequency of the given observed value of the variable is indicated against it. Here 28 is the maximum frequency which corresponds to variable value 6. Hence the mode is 6. For geometric mean, consider n observations of variable x given as x1, x2 and so on till xn. Then the geometric mean is given by the nth square root of the product of all n observed values of x. Considering the previous example, the geometric mean of the data is 5.07. Lastly, for harmonic mean, consider n observations of variable x given as x1, x2 and so on till xn. Then the harmonic mean is given by the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the observed values of x. Considering the previous example, the harmonic mean of the data is 4.66. Now we have basic understanding of all the five averages and how to calculate them. Now the question is which one to select for our study. Clearly, no single average is suitable for all practical purposes. The selection of average depends on the nature of the data and purpose of inquiry. Arithmetic mean satisfies all the properties of ideal average. Hence, it may be regarded as the best of all averages. And also, it is the stable average as it is least affected by the fluctuations of sampling. That's all for this video. In next video, we'll discuss other characteristics of quantitative data. Thank you.